In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email forwarding in Google Workspace Admin Console. We're going to create a server-side forwarding rule in the Admin Console so Gmail forwards messages automatically even if the user's own settings change. You'll need an administrator account for your workspace. Start by opening the Admin Console at admin.google.com and sign in with your admin credentials. If you manage multiple organizations or domains, make sure you're in the correct one for this change. From the homepage, select Apps. This is where all your Google services and their settings live. Next, choose Google Workspace to see the core apps available to your organization. Find and click Gmail. You'll land in the Gmail settings area, which controls routing, compliance, and advanced options that apply to users and groups. Open default routing. This section lets you define what happens to messages as they enter Gmail for your domain. We'll use it to add a forwarding copy to another mailbox. Click Configure to create a new rule. Give the rule a clear description so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage many policies. Now, add the forwarding email address. In the configuration window, look for the Modify Message area. Select the option to add more recipients, then enter the forwarding address you want to receive a copy. Double check the spelling and the domain. If you're forwarding to an external address, confirm your organization's policy allows it and that the destination mailbox can accept the volume you expect. Still in Modify Message, decide whether this should send a copy in addition to the original delivery or replace delivery. Leaving the original delivery in place is the safest option for most scenarios because it keeps mail flowing to the user's inbox and simply adds a second recipient. If you need exclusive redirection, you can choose not to deliver to the original recipient, but use that carefully to avoid interrupting access for the primary mailbox. When you're satisfied, click Save. If you're prompted to confirm, proceed to apply the change. The new routing rule may take a few minutes to roll out across your domain, and in some cases, up to 24 hours. After a brief wait, send a test message to the original address to confirm that a copy arrives at the forwarding address as expected. That's it. You've set up email forwarding through Gmail's default routing in the Admin Console. This approach is reliable, centrally managed, and easy to update later if your forwarding needs change.